Humans have done horrible things for sport over the years, but as our society evolves, these sickening traditions must come to an end. My name is Grant Lindahl, and I'm a piñata rescuer. It all started at my little stepbrother's birthday party. I took some acid, suddenly it hit me, literally. I thought, if this hurts me this much, that donkey must be miserable. Long story short, I dropped out of art school and used my student loans to buy a farm, where I could provide all the previously abused piñatas a stable and a steady diet of candy. And when dealing with animals that have survived this kind of abuse, they need to feel like I'm one of them. Most people don't know this, but farmers actually harvest piñatas by feeding them loads and loads of candy so they're never able to defecate. It's easy to do since piñatas don't have assholes. So I used my art school expertise to fashion these creatures, the assholes their creator forgot to install. And the best part is that it's totally sustainable because they don't digest any of the candy. The process is simple. Find out when and where the birthday parties are, wait for the big moment, and storm the gates. And I realized I had a higher chance of freeing these little guys if I got there before the parents did. When I'm not out on Operation Liberation, I'm either taking care of my friends or I'm training. I've hopped fences, I've camped in basements for days. Whatever I gotta do to take care of these guys, I'll do it. When you think about it, it just doesn't make any sense. Even if you're not able to perceive the life force of a piñata and just see them as cardboard and tissue paper, the symbolism is horrible. Hey, let's hang up a beautiful figurine of a peaceful creature and let the kids beat it to death. And this isn't the only issue I care about. I also liberate scarecrows from indentured servitude.